Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. Today's episode, full-time income online. How to get set up to quit your job and earn a full-time income online. It's first off, it's not that easy. Secondly, if you like videos on how to make money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. This is all about full-time income, learning how to create a full-time income, not part-time income, but you can use these techniques if you just want to do a part-time job. A full-time income online, though, what I recommend and how most people make most of their money online is through something called affiliate programs. Affiliate programs is simply selling someone else's product and they pay you a commission. Now, when I say selling someone else's product, it doesn't mean like you have to be a salesman in any sense of the word or set up a sales room. What you're going to do is you're going to create content that's going to attract the type of people that want that kind of product. So how do you get all this kind of going? Well, there's a couple ways that I think this is the best way to start. And you don't want to do what I did because I jumped all over the place. And I'm actually, ironically, I'm back at square one of almost the exact same programs that I started when I first started my online journey like 6 years ago. I'm practically doing the same stuff. I just didn't stick with it long enough. I thought it was going to come faster. So I started looking at this and looking at this, and it's the old chase the shiny thing, right? So what you really want to do is you want to focus, right? And stick with what you know is going on. Find someone that's having success and follow them. You may have this, though. They may be in a program and they may change to this other program and they may change to this other program. If you're having success in the first program they introduced you to, stick with it, right? What they're doing is they're already got that one going on autopilot. They're just adding more revenue streams to their income, right? And like if you are making enough, absolutely jump with them. And if you've got a big enough sort of following, then you can do the same thing as they are. But really what you'd want to do is you want to just focus on a couple of things to start with. So what I want to get into is I want to show you what I recommend are the essentials. This is the essentials, right? So basically, if you want to do online marketing, and this is essential, and I was on with my other autoresponder. I have like 3 autoresponders, and I was on with one of them today because what happened is because it's not integrated, I have to kind of one program uses another program's autoresponder, and what happened is this program changed a little bit of how they did their code, so this one stopped working how I wanted it to work. I didn't know for almost a month that was going on. I was like, so I'm actually going to get rid of this autoresponder because I've been having problems with it the last 6 months. I've got a big list on it, and I need to move that list over to something else. And I've got a ton of email series in there, and I'm gonna have to move it all over. But that being said, it's just part of the job, right? I got to work on it. So, anyways, what do you need? You need an email autoresponder. It's probably your most important tool because what you are going to do as you start your online business, you are going to collect email. And you may be going, oh, email, Glenn, nobody opens their emails anymore. No, that's wrong. They do. You need to have a way to contact people. For example, I just one of the programs I'm in quite a few programs. I'm an affiliate for a lot of programs. One of them just has a new offer out right now, right? So I went, oh, that's a cool offer. I just sent it out to my list, and 10 or 15 people, boom, opted into it right away, right? So they will go down that sales funnel, and if they purchase into that program, then I will make a commission, and it will be a recurring commission because it's a recurring product that campaign is going on. So yes, your email autoresponder is so important. So you want something that has a solid email autoresponder, and you want something that's integrated. Number 2, you need a landing page builder. Right? Like this is, you have to have a landing page build. You need something that has templates in it that basically allows you to build capture pages where you're going to capture the emails to put into your autoresponder. Number 3, you need an authority sites builder. This is what do you want basically a good server that where you can build your Aweber sites, whatever it is. You need hosting basically, and that's where the authority sites builder comes in. You're going to need a video sharing platform. Trust me, you may not need it at the moment, but you will need it down the road because there's going to be some programs that you go into and you're going to want to put something called a bridge video. It's this. Someone puts in their email, right? And like let's say learn about XYZ. So they put in their email. Well, the next page, you're going to have a video introducing yourself, like, hey, I'm Glenn. I'm going to explain XYZ to you basically, and then I'm going to send you to the main company. But why I wanted to put this bridge page in here is because XYZ has this benefit, this benefit, this benefit, this benefit, this benefit. Now, click the button below and you're going to go to the next one. So that's how, and you don't want to just use a YouTube video, because if you use a YouTube video, they have extra videos that they show at the end, and you don't want any advertising on there. You want a solid video with no distractions when you build bridge pages. So this is really important. You may not need it right now, but you will in the future. Live conference room, you're going to need this. I use Skype conferencing, I use Messenger conferencing, I use Zoom conferencing, and having a live conference room that's yours, that is not on the grid. I know Zoom's been getting hacked a bit, and it can get expensive if you want to go over 40 minutes. Skype is of course free, but it's not really good for conferencing. GoToWebinar is way too expensive. So, and the other thing is, what I like to do, and I talked to this, I think I was talking to Bob on Friday about this, is I like to have something that I can resell. I want to make money on the tools I use. So I like to look for something that has a reseller program. So what I want to do, I want you guys to get this product here. If you're interested in going full time and you're serious, right? You want to get this product here, and you want to use these tools, right? So I'm going to put a link below, and you can check it out. I think there's a $1 trial right now. The bonus is too, guys, you can be a reseller on this and you make 100% commissions. You make 50% on the front end, and then you make 25% of everybody that you refer to it when they sell something. So it's an amazing, and then 25% is in a binary. So that is what you're going to need for basically for your main business. So you want to get started. Now I'm going to throw in some extra stuff for you. I'm going to throw in a let me get back to my video here. I want to have you set up for huge success. So what I want to do is I'm going to give you some of the best training that's out there. It's attraction marketing training. It's going to show you exactly how to use social media when you're first starting, and kind of start getting your brand, getting your name out there, developing your brand, who you are, right? Now, when you start on this journey, you're going to get a lot of a-holes that are going to talk to you and tell you you're doing it wrong, and this and this and this. You guys, you really have to put the blinders on and just kind of stay focused. Find one person that you want to follow. If you want to follow what I'm doing, great. If you want to find someone else, but really stay focused on who you're following and what you're doing. Because once you start following like 5 or 6 different people, they're all doing the same thing, but they're all kind of doing it a little bit different. And you need to find, like they say in music, you need to find your voice before you can really have success on this. So what you want to do is you want to find one person that's doing and how you like their style and what they're doing, and someone that's creating enough content. You don't want to find someone that's like that's creating content only once a month or something. You want someone that's creating enough content that's going to keep you engaged. Now, can you hear my kids? They're going out for a walk. Now, the other thing that's really important is actually really good training. And I've got another, besides that training, I've got another training from a multi-billionaire, millionaire marketer. And he's got a $7 training that I really highly suggest that you take as well. So I'll put that as a bonus link below. But if you don't want to, you can just go and grab the, join get your all your platform set up, and then I'll give you my bonus training, which is totally free. And then if you want to learn more about so a lot of stuff I'm teaching is about attraction marketing, which is creating a brand around yourself and attracting people to you. The other training is really about true marketing and telling your story and getting your story. It's a type of attraction marketing, but it's way more focused on also focused on ads. And if you aren't willing to do ads, you got to rethink about it, because you need to be doing your thing. Like right now, I've got 800 clicks, I think, coming in right now. I've got 2 different paid campaigns going right now, putting people onto my list, right? It's reality, guys. It's just, and it's inexpensive. Like you can buy 400 clicks for $160. right? 400 clicks, 400 people looking at your page for $160. Hopefully, you've got a program that you will make that within a month or two from one person subscribing and joining your program, right? And that's where you want to be at. So that's how you actually create a full-time income. Get your marketing suite, right? Get the training, but and then whatever you're going to sell with your marketing suite, if you want to sell, if you want to do a store, whatever it is, you need to have this marketing suite first. You need to have your content, start creating your content. And this is just a no-brainer. You can't do it without this. Once that gets set up and going, then you start branding and getting out there, okay? But really, just follow the basic steps to begin with. And if you're totally lost, don't worry. These programs that I'm showing you have so much helpful training inside of them that you will not be lost. All you need to do is follow the instructions. All of the instructions. Don't skip instructions. This is what happens. People going, oh, I did this and this. And I go, well, did you do that part? Oh, I didn't think that was important. Did you do that part? I didn't think that was important. Why do you think that part was there? That part was there because it's important. It's one of the important step that you need to do. So you need to follow all the steps. All right, guys. Thank you again. If you got value out of this, please comment below. I appreciate all of you. I know I got a whole bunch of new subscribers on here, so thank you very much. And thanks for everyone for watching, making that video go over 500 views. That was amazing. That was so cool. My wife's like, what did you do? And I'm like, I don't know. Anyways, all right, guys, have a great Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.